When you're done working on your Aero, the green timer button is your menu for telling Aero what you want to do next. Click on the timer button to open your menu, and you'll see all the options of the things you can do. First of all, you can save and complete the Aero. Choosing Save and Complete will create a time entry, mark the task as complete, and remove it from your Aeros list. You can choose to save and defer. Saving and deferring an Aero creates a time entry but does not mark the Aero complete. It will remain on your Aeros list or your dashboard. There are some options of what you can do along with deferring the Aero. You can defer it forward to another date. You can edit the estimated duration. This is only available to certain security levels. You can also defer it to another user. If you defer the Aero to another user, once you defer it, it will no longer be on your Aeros list or your dashboard, but will then appear on that user's Aeros list or dashboard. You can also type in a deferred reason. Now, this is just Chrome suggesting deferred reasons that I've used before, but this is a simple text box that you can type into. Once I click Deferred, Aero will create a time entry and update the status of the Aero to deferred. There are other things you can do to the timer using the timer menu. You can pause the Aero. Now, if I pause the Aero, that will stop the timer, but it does not save any of my work. It doesn't save any of the steps I've checked off, it doesn't save any time notes, and it doesn't save the comments. I can edit the amount of time on the timer, and then if I click Restart Timer, the timer will start from that new edited time. I can also override the date that the time entry will be saved to. If I edit the time, choose a different date, and then choose Save and Complete, the time entry will be recorded on the date I've chosen instead of the current date. I can also use Edit Time to edit the timer. If I edit the time here and then start the timer up again by clicking Restart Timer, the timer will start again from that new edited time. The final choice on the timer menu is to reset. This will reset the timer to 0, and the timer will start counting again from 0.